Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. A couple quick boxes just came in the mail. This one is a package from Rush Order Tees. I ordered a couple more Improved Garage t-shirts, this time in a different color scheme. So this time I went with a white print instead of a multicolor print. So this one is called Red Heather. These are American Apparel, BB401 is the code. So I got a red, I got a green, forest green, which just happens to match the one that I'm currently wearing. And then there's a gray and a blue. I think in my next one I need to move it down on the shirt just a little bit, but not bad. Not bad at all. All right, so next I got this, and this is for the Mini. So I will unbox and install, hopefully. This is something I purchased off of eBay. The company that makes these is Depot, D-E-P-O. ECS Tuning sells Depot as well, but they just happen to be out of these parts, so I found them on eBay. But these are the nuts. These are the rings for the taillights on the Mini Cooper that are not chrome. Really, they can be anything but chrome. Chrome is disgusting. It's not a Harley Davidson. So, what they look like, received 2 of them, left and right. So let's get them installed. All right, so on this side, we're going to pull, and they should just unsnap like that. There we go, just like that. So the factory ones are held on by these clips, kind of all the way around. And they just snap into the bottom of the taillight. So this one is the So we have that one installed. Sorry, I got interrupted on the last one. So we will snap this one together. So really what you want to do is pull this way while you kind of pull out, and then it will snap, and you can bring it this direction. You're going to have some dirt underneath. And then we open the new one, and we snap it into place, like so, and that is it. It just snaps into place. Nice and simple, just like that. I think it looks good. The black, I think the black is a lot better than the chrome. So here they are installed in the car. I think they look good. Obviously, this and this need to be taken care of. So at this point, we're down to 20 pieces of chrome on the car. We were at 22, now we're at 20, and I'm slowly going to make that number equal 0.